In 2012, NASA's Voyager 1 reached the edge of our solar system and crossed into something almost impossible to imagine. A wall of fire, 89,000 degrees Fahrenheit, wrapped around the only home humanity has ever known. For 35 years, Voyager had been flying away from Earth, past Jupiter, past Saturn, past every planet in our solar system. Then, in August 2012, 11 billion miles from home, its instruments detected a sudden change. Voyager had reached the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence begins to fade and interstellar space begins. The sun is not silent. Every second, it throws out a stream of charged particles called the solar wind, plasma racing outward at hundreds of kilometers per second. That wind expands far beyond the planets until it crashes into the thin material between the stars. There, it slows down, piles up, and forms a vast invisible bubble around the solar system. A shield made from the sun's own breath. Voyager flew straight through it. Particle readings changed, plasma density rose, magnetic fields shifted, and the temperature around the spacecraft reached nearly 50,000 Kelvin, about 89,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to sound like instant death. But Voyager survived, because this fire is not like fire on Earth. There's almost nothing there to burn. The plasma is incredibly hot, but impossibly thin, fewer than 100 particles in a cubic centimeter. So Voyager did not melt, it did not ignite. It passed through the hottest emptiness imaginable. Real heat, no flame. A furnace made of almost nothing. And this is the part that should stay with you. That wall is not a prison. It is protection. Every second, cosmic rays from deep space slam into our solar system. Radiation from supernovas, dead stars, and violent regions of the galaxy. The heliosphere absorbs part of that assault. It does not keep us trapped inside. It keeps the universe from getting in. But the sun is not constant. Its wind changes. Its power rises and falls. And if that protective bubble weakens, Earth becomes more exposed. Not to flames, not to ice, but to invisible radiation from a universe our biology was never built to face directly. Voyager 1 is still out there, beyond the wall, beyond the planets, beyond the reach of the sun's strongest breath. For the first time in human history, something we built is looking back at our solar system from the outside. Follow Stellarscope, because one day that bubble might weaken, and you'll want someone to explain it to you calmly.